I
Hold on.
jump.
No, that's perfect. So look, Maurice's last point about being adopted incrementally is probably a good segue into the very next question, which is, so how do banks go about adopting BIAN?
Yes, it's a very interesting question because every bank takes a different journey because the reasons why they want to use BIAN would be different. I will start from the top and then I'm going to jump at the bottom before that. But the top, which is the banking use cases, the priority for a bank, every bank would be different. So some bank might be taking on the journey of digital transformation. Some might be taking the journey of the co-modernization. Some might just be going into mergers and acquisitions with the market consolidating. So if any reason that a bank might want to look at BIAN might be slightly different. And they're all valid journeys, all valid reasons. We need to change, we need to adapt. The financial market is moving very fast. And IT is also moving very fast. The newer technologies are also coming up, and we need to adopt new technologies rather than deter organization from adopting it. So the reason for adopting BIAN could be very different. And how we can adopt BIAN would align with what use case we are going to pick up. If you're looking at mergers and acquisitions, what first that we need to understand is what is our current capability model between the two organizations and whether it makes sense for the mergers and acquisition to go through or not. And for that, we need a reference architecture. We need a common language of capabilities, which BIAN provides. And then be able to have an assessment between the two organizations. Where do we need to consolidate? Where do we need to rationalize? How our IT consolidation journey is going to be. Whereas if you're looking at a bank is looking at digital transformation, they may be looking at building new APIs, open APIs, exposing their existing data out to the partners and fintech providers, and they might just have to look at integration first before they look at their information part of it. So they may want to adopt BIAN as the integration architect to do that. Other organization might just want to adopt it as an operating model. So they want to align business and technology faster, closer. They want a synergy between the two, have a common language between the two, have ownership structures aligned between IT and business. And they may want to anchor it on the services because business is providing a service to the customer and technology is enabling those services out to the customer as well. So they may adopt BIAN as their services-based operating model to provide visibility around it. How we use BIAN for all of these use cases could be different. I think the key things that we may want to consider here is what an organization have to do, and we're going to talk more about it in a bit, but there are key things we need to look at. It is the training, enablement of the leadership, buy-in, tools, aspects of it. Those are the foundational elements that needs to be considered. But yeah, this is just a very high level talking about the reason why organization is adopting. And Nish,